Hello friends, today I am talking about how to fix Optimum DVR not working. Solution 1. Check connections. Step 1. Ensure the power cord is securely plugged into the DVR and the wall outlet. If possible, try a different outlet. Step 2. Check that the coaxial cable is firmly connected to both the wall outlet and the DVR. Step 3. Ensure the HDMI or RCA cables are securely connected to both the DVR and your TV. If using HDMI, try a different HDMI port on your TV. Solution 2. Reboot the DVR. Step 1. Disconnect the power cord from the back of the DVR. Step 2. Leave it unplugged for about 15 seconds. This allows any residual power to dissipate and clears temporary glitches. Step 3. Reconnect the power cord to the DVR. Step 4. Allow up to 15 minutes for the DVR to fully reboot and reconnect the Optimum servers. During this time, check for any on-screen prompts or messages. Solution 3. Check for server issues. Step 1. Go to optimum.net support outage. Step 2. Enter your Optimum ID and password to access your account. Step 3. Once logged in, look for the service status option typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to view any reported outages in your area. Step 4. If available, check the real-time outage map for specific details regarding service disruption. Solution 4. Perform a factory reset. Step 1. Press the menu button on your DVR. Step 2. Navigate to Settings or System Settings. Step 3. Look for an option labeled Factory Reset or Restore Default Settings. Step 4. Follow on-screen instruction to confirm the reset. Note that this will erase all recordings and settings. Solution 5. Clear data and cache for app users. Step 1. Go to your device main settings menu. This may vary depending on whether you are using a smartphone, tablet, or streaming device. Step 2. Navigate to Apps or Application Manager. Step 3. Scroll through the list of installed apps and select Optimum. Step 4. Tap on Storage. Step 5. Select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Confirm any prompts that appear. Step 6. Launch the Optimum app again. Check if functionality has improved. Solution 6. Contact Optimum support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may need to contact Optimum customer support for further assistance. Be prepared to provide details about your DVR model and the specific issues you are experiencing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe.